Hello, Joe Camberato, entrepreneur, CEO, and founder of National Business Capital. In this video, I'm going to talk about real quick the most common questions that we get asked when business owners, just like yourself, want to work with us. Number one is, what are the interest rates? Two, do you have to run my credit? And is there a hard inquiry? Three, how fast does it take? Four, is there a personal guarantee? Five, are there monthly payment options available? Six, are there any prepayment penalties? Seven, what are the qualifications? Okay, so what's really important for you to understand is I founded National back in 2007 with really one mission: create a place where owners can apply and match them with the right financing product, the right lender, and bring all the lenders and all the financing products into one place. So we've done exactly that. We've secured, for business owners just like yourself, over $2 billion in funding and have completed over 27,000 transactions to date, and that number grows every single day. Okay, so first question is, what are the interest rates? This is a very common question. We get asked it every single day. The answer to that question is the rates can change depending on the different lending products. We offer SBA loans, equipment financing, business term loans, lines of credit, inventory funding, AR funding, and asset-based lending. All of those different products all have different interest rates, and all of those rates change constantly. If you're doing an SBA loan, if you're doing equipment funding, your rates are going to be in the single digits. So when I say single digits, somewhere in that 6% to 8% range. Right now, as I make this video, the prime rate is at 7.5%. So even if you got a bank deal and you're prime plus 2%, you're looking at a rate of around 9.5% today on a bank financing deal. Beyond that, if you do an AR funding or an asset-based loan, so if you've got high quality receivables, if you've got big machinery, things like that, you can be in the high single-digit interest rate range. If you don't have B2B receivables, if you don't have collateral, which is equipment or real estate, then the rates are typically going to be around 1% per month, and will go up from there. So 12 to 15 to 18% annually, and somewhere in that range. So I hope you appreciate the transparency here, because no matter where you go, we have all the lenders in one place. We're going to look to get you the best deal and get you the most competitive interest rate for whatever it is that you're looking to accomplish. So it's really important for you to know that, so you don't need to shop around from lender to lender. Okay, so number two is, do you need to run my credit, or are there any hard inquiries? So it's a great question. We do a soft credit pull. So when you apply with us, you apply in one place. We get all of your information. We do a soft credit pull. And from there, we can really understand what direction and which different lenders will most likely approve you. We do that through our lender matching technology, along with very smart people that work here, that work together and can go over these different options with you. So we do a soft credit pull. Most of our lending partners that we work with also do soft credit pulls, so you don't get a hard inquiry. If you are going to get a hard inquiry, we will let you know that, hey, this lender that we need to apply with is going to have to do a hard inquiry in order to make an offer. But we'll let you know that up front. Really great question. Number three, how fast is the process? Great question. Up to about $250,000, we can get you funded in as little as a few hours, which is just amazing. Digital application, 6 months of bank statements, we can fund you in hours. Past $250,000, and depending on the different financing products, it may take longer. $1 million to $5 million will usually take anywhere from 3 to 7 business days, so still very fast. If you're looking at equipment funding, that process again will take about 3 to 10 business days. And then other different products may have longer time, like an SBA loan, we can get done in about 30 to 45 days, which is very fast. Banks, it usually will take 90 days. But if you're looking for anything under $500,000, it's usually a matter of hours or days. Is there a personal guarantee? This is a really great question. I'm happy that you asked it. We do have some business funding products that don't have personal guarantees. Just ask one of our business financing advisors when you're working with us, and we can explain which products those are. And then some products today have personal guarantees, and personal guarantees are much more common today, whether you're working with a bank or a non-bank lender. But there are options out there where there is no personal guarantee. Just ask us, and we're happy to explain what those options look like, what the terms are, and what you would qualify for in a non-personal guaranteed option. Are there monthly payments? This is a unique question that comes up, and there's a lot of different lending products today. Some are collected back daily, some weekly, some bi-weekly, and then some monthly. So we do have monthly payment options available. Typically those will be on equipment financing, on our SBA loan products, and then on some of our business term loan products, we can get you a monthly payment. Most lenders today do like to collect payments back weekly and some on a daily basis. But if you're looking for a monthly or bi-monthly or weekly payment, just ask us and we can let you know if that option is available for you. Are there prepayment penalties? Really great question. Some products like SBA loans will have prepayment penalties. Equipment financing, sometimes there's not a prepayment penalty, but just like a lease in your car, you'd be responsible for paying back the full amount. But then some products actually have prepayment discounts. So you can borrow money at a certain cost, and if you pay off early, you would pay back less. Please make sure that you ask us this, and depending on the product that you're looking for, we may be able to build in early payment discounts. So if you want to borrow money at a longer term, but have the option to pay off early with the discount, we're happy to extend those options to you. And then lastly is, what are the qualifications? So that's an interesting question because we have over 75 lenders on our platform. We do SBA loans, business term loans, lines of credit, equipment financing, and all of those lenders have different qualifications. When you apply with us, we can navigate you through a number of different lenders in one place so you don't have to shop around from lender to lender. So if you have challenge credit because you challenge at growing your business, we get that, we understand that. We can work with you, we'll find you the right lender, and we'll let you know what those qualifications are. If you have excellent credit, a very profitable business, we'll pull in the right lending partner for you there and explain what those qualifications are. So it's not that I don't want to answer that question, it's just that we have so many different lending products that it would make this video probably an hour long, and I don't want to bore you with all those details. So I went through these questions very quickly because I respect your time as a business owner. What's important for you to know is when you work with us, you're going to work with a business financing expert that understands all the different lending guidelines, all the qualifications, can answer all of your questions accurately, which is really important. And what's more important is that we're going to work with you from application all the way to funding, and we're going to help manage that process. We're going to tell you exactly what documents you need, and we're going to help streamline that process so you get it done in the most time-efficient way possible. But we're also going to let you know of all the options available so we can pull in the right option for you for whatever the opportunity is in your business and make sure that you get the most competitive product out there that's available at the time. I hope you found this video helpful. If there was something in here that I didn't get to answer, just ask our team. Again, we're happy to help you. We're all about helping business owners grow. Thank you for considering National Business Capital. I want to wish you nothing but success in your business and make sure you keep growing.